Chief Palm Memorial School is located in Kipnuk, Alaska. Kipnuk is a special place to live in. Kipnuk means a bend referring to the Gugaklik River, where it is situated. Kipnuk consists mostly Yupik-speaking Eskimos. A group of men that were related or cousins founded the village in the mid-1800s. One of the men was named Bektikvak. Most of the people came from Jalitmut. Some of them moved to Chufornik, but most of them moved here to Kipnuk. It changed over time because of the cell phones we're using right now. They didn't used to use those kind. They used army kind that crank and had to spin. They had call signs for each phone. In 1970, the first telephone came to Kipnuk.
In the late 1990s, cell phones took over the old phones. People settled down here because it's a good place to pick berries and catch all kinds of fish. Even the grass. The grass was good for hunting geese and catching eggs. Even the river here is a good for all over in the river. An example of a story of Kipnuk is the language was really strong all over the village, but right now it's really dying out because of many reasons. I wish we could speak more words in Yupik using Kipnuk dialect instead of using Chifornik or other villages' dialect. In other villages like Quig and Kong, the dialect in Kipnuk is getting lost and other villages have a strong dialect. One of these days, I think we'll be able borrowing Quig dialect and Kong dialect.
Akuli.